So my Volvo got a check engine light on, so I'm going to check it with the with my tiny little Autel OBD2 scanner. Actually, this could read the computer modules inside the Volvo if you have the license for it. So put it here. The OBD port. Put it on the second position. It's on the second position. Turn on my phone. Allow diagnostics. Volvo. It's loading now. Automatic selection. Read the VIN. Takes a while to read the VIN for this. Okay. Okay. Yes. Diagnosis. Auto scan. Okay, there's 3 faults. Yep, I don't know what causes it, but probably see later. Scanning all the modules. The regular OBD scanner cannot actually do this. Like say the upper electronic module, it will not actually. It will not be able to scan it. This error, the upper electronic module, yeah, this is caused by the siren module failing. So I disconnected it so that my sunroof works, but it's still busted. Sunroof is it has like a bad gear there. I could hear a cracking sound when I tried to open and close it, but it does respond now. So disconnecting the siren module actually make your sunroof work. So we'll go to the engine control module, read codes, faulty signal, leave up system monitoring small leak. This is intermittent fault. I think there's something going on with the wiring, I think. Yeah, bus, heated oxygen sensor, bank 2, faulty signal. Huh. Yeah, I think this one, probably there's like a wiring problem there on the oxygen sensor. I need to check that wiring out. System monitoring small leak. Yeah, this might be like the gas cap, probably. So gonna erase this. Okay. should be gone. Now for the upper electronic module, read it. So yeah, that's the siren, then the sunroof motor signal too high, so probably I think it wasn't erased since the last time I took out the siren module, so I'm gonna erase this. Okay, then I'm gonna read the code again. So it's only the siren that's having the problem. Yeah, because I disconnected it. So the sunroof motor is done. Okay, so everything is okay now. So you only have one fault in there for the upper electronic module. Yep. Yes. And I'm gonna turn it on. There you go. AC's on. Oh, cool breeze of air conditioning.